Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix account not found on TikTok. So if you get the message, the account not found on TikTok, this is a frequent problem for some users and one of the reasons for that some app bugs or glitches. So in order to fix this, you have to open your phone settings. So you have to go for this and then manage apps, and then in the search bar, you have to search for TikTok, tap on it, and now you can see this option clear data. Just tap on it and tap on this clear cache. Okay, and tap on this again and clear the data as well, or you can tap on this force stop and tap on this OK. After the app offload, you want to click on the reinstall button and then wait a couple of minutes. This will give TikTok a fresh new installation and it won't have any bugs and glitches. After you do this, open your Play Store or App Store, and in the search bar you have to search for, and you have to make sure that your app is updated or not. If it's not, you have to make sure that you update TikTok regularly, because they fix bugs and glitches with each new update. And after you do these 2 steps, if you still have the issue, then maybe it's not a glitch on your side. There is a chance that person deleted the account or even blocked you, and that is why you get this error message that the TikTok account is not found. So you can use a friend's phone to check that out, and if you get the same error, the account is probably deleted from TikTok. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.